Well, here it is. I've come around the sun one more time. It's my birthday, my 30th birthday. Could you not? Anyways, it's my 30th birthday and come along for the ride. I'm gonna start off with a haircut and some shopping, and it's gonna be a good day. It's beautiful out. Oh, it's so nice outside, and I got to see my roommate perform in Bryant Park. Just got home. I have delivery from Daily Harvest. This is the smoothies and different things that you can get. This is only my second shipment from them. I got my first one months ago and then I froze my account because I decided to take a little break from it. But I'm excited because now I have my smoothies. So let's see what we got. We have mango and greens, delish, mango and papaya. And these are awesome because all you have to do is throw them in the blender and add water. This one is also mango and greens. I think that was my favorite last time, that's why I got a couple of them. This is not a smoothie, it's a sundae. It's chocolate brownie batter, yum. And this is like a nice dessert, but it's healthy. Look at all the good stuff in there. Zucchini, black beans, very nice. Pineapple and matcha, this one's good too. It also has kale in it. And I got another sundae, cacao cookie dough. So, that is my Daily Harvest haul on my birthday. By the way, if you guys want to try Daily Harvest, use the code in the description box and you can get 3 free cups for your first order. Try it and see if you like it. I like it. I just took a nap and I woke up and there was this on my door. And I walk over here and there's this on the counter, and this,